Hey guys, welcome to Speak English Like a Pro. Hope you guys are doing good. Guys, in this lesson, today I will teach you the most important words, how to use without word very. If you want to say something is very good, very bad, or very dull, there are a lot of words over there. You can use that in your daily life to sound you a good English speaker in the crowd. Let's begin today. If somebody is angry, instead of using very angry, you can say furious. Very beautiful, gorgeous, very big, massive, very boring, dull, very noisy, deafening, very poor, destitute, very cheap, stingy, very clean, spotless. Very short, brief, very difficult, arduous, very dry, arid, very quick, rapid, very bad, awful, very smart, intelligent, very sad, sorrowful, very upset, distraught, very cold, freezing, very strong, forceful, very huge, colossal, very calm, serene, very ugly, hideous, very small, petite, very funny, hilarious, very quiet, assured, very rich, wealthy, very expensive, costly, very dirty, filthy, very tall, towering, very easy, effortless, very wet, soaked, very slow, sluggish, very good, excellent, very stupid, idiotic, very happy, ecstatic, very exciting, exhilarating, very warm, hot, very weak, frail, very little, tiny, very bright, luminous, very busy, swamped, very careful, cautious, very clear, obvious, very colorful, vibrant, very confused, perplexed, very creative, innovative, very crowded, bustling. Guys, hope you have learned these words. I want you to use in your speaking to make you the best speaker in the crowd. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video with the new bell icon to get